Welcome to the Smartvid review channel, where I will be reviewing the latest digital products that are efficient and effective to grow your business. I've also added my own personal bonuses that work in conjunction with the product that is being reviewed today. My bonuses will make a huge difference in your business. If you're interested in knowing about the bonuses, please stay and listen. You'll hear more about it at the end of this video. If not, you can check in my description. There will be a link where you can click on it, and the link will take you directly to my page. And on this page, you're going to be able to then click on this specific button, which is grab this plus bonuses, and it will take you to the vendors page where you can do the purchase. But as I said, we'll go into the review of the product that I'll be doing today. And the product that we will be looking at is called Smartivid. Alright, Smartivid, and I'll explain as well what Smartivid is about, what bonuses or what benefits you do get from there, and what to expect from a purchase such as Smartivid or the software itself. A review of what Smartivid is all about. Smartivid is a brand new all-in-one top marketing solution for your business to create eye-catching creatives. My review on Smartivid will give you an opportunity to know what is a Smartivid and how Smartivid works. With Smartivid, you can increase traffic with your creatives and get attention from potential customers by using DFY animated video and graphic designs. You don't need to spend a lot of money and time on how-to courses. With Smartivid, you will blow your competitors away with little to no work. All you would need to do is choose a ready-to-use premium template. You won't need to start from beginning to create an amazing design. Smartivid will instantly help you make smart and effective promotion easily and quickly. With Smartvid, you can create high converting video video and graphics in just 3 simple steps, and there is a tutorial demo video below, so you'll be able to find out a bit more on how it works. But as I said, it's 3 simple steps. The software is extremely user-friendly and you don't have to buy additional music. Smartvid also includes its videos and images. Smartvid will help you make innovative marketing videos and graphics, everything you'll ever need to create high-converting marketing designs. Smartivid comes with commercial license to all templates. In terms of the package that you get from Smartivid, you get 9 premium module for less than the price of 1 bundles plus commercial license. So in terms of the modules that you do get, I'll go through them here, and then we'll check also the pricing for the different types of softwares that you decide to get. The module comes with a smart promotion video templates. Module 2 comes with company profile video templates. Module 3 comes with Instagram video templates. Module 4 is social story video templates. Module 5 is Facebook cover designs. Module 6 is Instagram banner designs. Module 7 is social story promotion designs. Module 8 is poster/flyer designs. Module 9 is roller up banner designs. I'm going to go through, in fact, I'll show you here what to expect in terms of the different of the models. So you'll see here it says these are some of the templates that they do have. So module 1 is a smart promotion video templates, and you've got these ones that are stated here. Module 2 is company profile templates, as per what I did read before, and you'll see the different types of templates that are on the software that you'll obviously be able to check and use according to the creatives that you want to create. Here's Instagram banners and designs. Here's social story promotion designs. Also module 8 poster/flyer designs. So you'll be able to see how you can actually change your details or change the information on the poster and put your details on it to use for your own creators. Alright, module 9 is roller up banner designs, and again you can use this especially if you have banners that you'd like to or creators to put on the banners that you might want to use. Okay, so these are the different ones that are there. I was hoping to actually play this one there, but in actual fact, when you do get a chance, try and play it. I am having a lot of difficulty on my side. Play it there, so you'll see what's happening there. product that you will get. Alright, so that's the specific part that you will get in regards to the different modules that are there. In terms of the pricing, I'm going to explain to you what the different types are. They are normally starting at $18, and that is for the promotion that they're doing, and I do believe it will increase to $27 after the promotion date that they've set. But in terms of the front end part of Smartvid, you get 10 templates in terms of the Smart Promotion video. Company profile, it's 8 templates. Instagram promotion, it's 8 templates. Social story, it's 8 templates. Facebook covers, it's 20 designs. Instagram banners, it's 30 designs. Social story promotion, it's 20 designs. Poster / flyer, it's 20 designs. Roll up banner, it's 10 plus designs. Excuse me. So you would notice that as we go through the different types of upgrades that you can get, which is OTO1, Smartivid upgrade version, you will notice that all these other templates do increase. I wanted to actually go through it, but I don't want to take too much of time to read this specific part. But you'll notice, excuse me, let's go through the different types of OTOs, what kind of cover it is. This one at OTO1 is valued at $34, and OTO2 is valued at $57. And again, it's just an increase of the templates that you will be exposed to. OTO3 is valued at $67, and this also increases in terms of that. They have added other extra bits in terms of products that you can use, but this is what is what it is that you'll get in terms of whichever product you decide to purchase. Right. You can also check my tutorial video or the demo video. It will explain to you how to set up 3 steps that we talked about. Over and above those 3 steps, obviously what you can do if you want to change a few things. So get a chance, play it there, you'll be able to get it there. And then we get straight to my bonuses. All right, as stated before, my bonuses are added to obviously enhance the product that I am reviewing today. So if you want to take this specific product along with my bonuses, you can take it there, and I'm going to explain to you in terms of the bonuses you do get. First one is 11 online marketing tools that will teach you how to obviously better position yourself. Second bonus is how to rank 1 on Google, how to improve Google ranking, and SEO tutorial for beginners. So that will also assist you while you're also promoting your specific brand. So what you're trying to do is put your page out there, make sure that you're ranking correctly, while also utilizing the different creators that you've made to get traffic to come there, and that will also assist in terms of ranking you there. Bonus number 3, it's 10 proven ways to get website traffic today, 100% guaranteed, while also using your Smartivid creators. Definitely you will get something that will work in your benefit or towards your benefit. And then bonus number 4, it's what's new with SEO in 2020, a full EAT webinar. All right, so if you want to find out a bit more on that, you can click on this, grab this plus bonuses, and you get my bonuses over and above the product that you will be purchasing, which is Smartivid. I guess that's it. Just also be aware that in terms of the bonuses, all bonuses will be added to your account upon purchasing. If that's not the case, please contact me on my email address. I will respond to you on that email and get back to you to advise you how to send you the bonuses or to link you with the relevant information. Again, I'd like to thank you for watching the review of Smartivid. It was a pleasure explaining the true benefits of this exceptional product, going in depth to fully equip you with knowledge and know-how to. Please don't forget the extra bonuses I've personally added. You won't regret it. Thank you again, and bye for now.